Okay, guys, so we are going to skip number 18. All right, and we're just going to work out one more. I'm going to work out number 13, and then I'm going to work out number 19, and then I'm going to let you do number 20. Okay. All right, let me make this a little bit bigger. So, your math teacher tells you that the next test is worth 100 points. Okay. Um, and it contains 38 problems. So multiple choice questions are worth 2 points each, and word problems are worth five. How many of each type of problem are there? So let's define my variables. Let's pick an X and a Y. Look at that last sentence. How many of each type are there? Well, I know these are numbers. Okay, so I need the number of what types of problems do I have? Multiple choice. I'm going to write MC problems, okay? Multiple choice. And then Y is going to be the number of word problems, W, okay? So with here, he tells you that, let's look at our clues. He says that it's going to be worth 100 points. So that means I have to take however many number of multiple choice problems times how much they're worth, okay, plus the number of word problems times how much those are worth, and that will give me a total worth of 100 points. So I'm going to add together. Ooh, I'm not going to use that yellow. All right, let's use a black, be nicer. So I need to add how much are the multiple choice questions worth and how much are the total word problems worth, because that will give me 100 total, okay? Now, each multiple choice question is worth 2 points. So that means I take 2 times however many multiple choice questions there are, but I don't know that yet. That's where my X comes in. All right. And then my Y, let's see, my word problems are worth 5 points each. So if I take 5 points times however many there are, okay, that's going to give me my total worth of word problems. So altogether, those will give me 100 points. All right. Now the next clue tells me that it contains 38 problems. So that means if I add together the total number of multiple choice questions plus the total number of word problems, I'm going to get 38. All right. So you guys, either method I think would work nicely here. You can do elimination or you can do substitution. Pick which one you like better. Maybe if you do a substitution, you solve it for X, right? Maybe you subtract Y from both sides and then you plug that into that equation. Or maybe you like elimination better. I think I like elimination a little bit better. Um, but you can do whichever way. So I've got 2x. So if I want to get rid of my x's, I have to multiply by 2. But I'm going to make sure it's a negative 2 because I always like to add them together. So I got 2x plus 5y equals 100. And then here I have negative 2x minus 2y equals 76, negative 76, right? Thank you for catching me on that. All right, so these go away. I'm left with 3y equals 24. Oh, these are so much easier. No decimals, right? Okay, so y equals 8. So that means that there are going to be how many word problems? There's going to be 8 word problems. Okay, there's going to be 8 word problems. And then to find x, all you'll have to do is plug it into one of those original equations. I'm going to plug it into the top one. X plus 8 equals 38. If I subtract 8 from both sides, I get x equals 30. Okay, so I'm going to leave number 20 for you. Don't forget, guys, you don't have to do all of these. You can look back on the assignment for today to get the exact list of the ones that I nixed. So if you have any questions, come see me on Zoom.